Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix high CPU usage in Battlefield 6. It's pretty simple. All you have to do, just hit right click on your desktop, then go to new and choose text document. We need to open this one and just paste this text which I'll just provide in the description. So we need to change these numbers right here, and the numbers you wanna put here are these ones. So to get this number, just hit right click on the Windows icon, then we'll open Task Manager, go to performance and select CPU here. So the numbers you see next to cores, which is 6 in my case, we need to type this number on the first line and second line. So this number could be different in your case, so you need to type that exact number which you're gonna see on your device manager, like in the CPU. So the number here is 6, so I'll just type 6 here, and 12 would be just right here on the last line. So just remove this, type the core number. As I said, the number could be different in your case, so you need to exactly type that number. Here I need to type 12, and now we're gonna click on this option file, click on save as. Now we need to head over to the Battlefield 6 file. So it is in my Steam library, so that's why I'm gonna open Steam library in my case. So this is Steam library. Here I'm gonna find that in common, this is Battlefield 6. Now we need to rename the file to user.cfg, and this save as type should be all files, and just save that. Now just close everything and relaunch your game. Your new configuration file will automatically load and optimize CPU usage, and that's there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.